Il revient à ma mémoire des souvenirs familiers. Je revois ma blouse noire lorsque j'étais écolier.
Hi everyone and welcome to WannaGoBiking. I am again in my beloved country, that is the wine country. I am in Gigondas, a little town in the south of France, and that is home to very famous wines, as is its neighboring village, Vacqueyras, which I'll be visiting as well. After which I will be visiting maybe the most famous of Côte-du-Rhône villages, which is Châteauneuf-du-Pape, and after that we should finish off in Orange. But yeah, we first have to get started, so see you on the road. Gigondas.
Je revois ma blouse noire lorsque j'étais écolier. Sur le chemin de l'école, je chantais à pleine voix des romances sans paroles, vieilles chansons d'autrefois. Douce France, cher pays de mon enfance, bercé de tendre insouciance, je t'ai gardé dans mon cœur. Mon village,
Sunshine in water, soleil en bouteille.
Où les enfants de mon âge.
Typically Provençal little village. Nice. Alright, onwards we go to Vacqueyras.
Oui, je t'aime et je te donne ce poème. Oui, je t'aime.
So already I'm in the middle of the Gigondas wine country, and yeah, it's nice. Hope this road gets a little bit better though. It's sand and rocks. Not necessarily my favorite terrain, but it'll have to do. So yeah, Gigondas is of course a very famous wine. I say of course, it's one of the most well-known Côte-du-Rhône wines. The Gigondas wine consists of Syrah, Grenache and Mourvèdre, and I think a good bottle should set you back some 15 euros. And yeah, I think it's well worth it if you're fancying a strong wine. Same goes for Vacqueyras, so we'll head down over to Vacqueyras.
Dans la joie ou la douleur. Cher pays de mon enfance, bercé de tendre insouciance.
Well, I didn't see a sign entering the town, but I am in Vacqueyras. That's the city hall. Vineyards interdite. Well, you can't swim. You can't swim in the basin. What a shame. Oh well. Vacqueyras. Right, these are the Vacqueyras fields. Like in a neighboring Gigondas, I think the récolte, the harvest is about to begin. This is end of September, 27th or something now. Pretty much like the Gigondas of Vacqueyras consists of the same grapes, with the addition of Cinsault. And there is actually a very limited amount of whites that you can have here. That goes for both the Gigondas, Vacqueyras and also the Châteauneuf-du-Pape. It's only maybe 5 or 10% max, I think, of the whole harvest. And they definitely use some lesser known varieties for the whites. Here they would use Clairette, Bourbon, and the Grenache Blanc. So yeah, now you know. Alright, I'll start climbing now and make my way towards Châteauneuf-du-Pape. Not again.
Bercé de tendre insouciance, je t'ai gardé dans mon cœur. Oui, je t'aime et je te donne ce poème. Oui, je t'aime, dans la joie ou la douleur. Douce France, cher pays de mon enfance, bercé de tendre insouciance, je t'ai gardé dans mon cœur, je t'ai gardé dans mon cœur.
Right, I really should be closing in on the Châteauneuf-du-Pape right now, so that's a good enough time for me to explain a bit about Châteauneuf. If you've seen my Avignon video last year, I think, then you would know that we had two popes at a time in Europe, and yeah, so one resided in Avignon, and during that time, I think his name was Clement the 22nd. Yeah, I think so. He resided in Avignon, and he wanted to have an outside castle because, well, why not? So he came to Châteauneuf. He was quite fond of the wines there, so that stimulated the wine growth. And I believe he was from a different town called Cahors, and so he brought some local wine experts with him, and they cultivated or helped cultivate the Châteauneuf region even more. And yeah, still to date, it is a world-renowned wine. Very good. I won't be drinking any because it's hot and I need water and coffee. So I think I'll have a coffee in Orange, which is maybe an hour away. All right, let's check out Châteauneuf now. See you later. Pilsner varieties, okay. Those are the prices. That's not fun. To connect to a road a bit further up, I think. I think it's maybe 200-300 meters, and then hopefully some firmer grounds. I've decided if this is a road or dried up riverbed, because for me it's unrideable. A mountain bike, maybe, but okay, this is really ridiculous. And the plus, it can only get better. I wish there was a method in Camus to fine-tune gravel riding, because riding implies riding, and this is only hiking. And also, if you can select how difficult the terrain math can be, it will be very helpful, because all these rocks are a no-go for me, as the sands usually, of course. I am following a track, but my GPS signal is lost. So if you don't hear from me again, maybe this is lost footage, so it's nice meeting you all. Alright. Right, so here we are in Orange, which is a city that's quite familiar to us Dutchies, I guess, because one way or another, I think the fact that we use the color orange so much, certainly in our football shirts and all that, is because in 1544, William of Nassau inherited orange from his nephew, and therefore he became the Prince of Orange. And I think ever since we had something with the color orange, well, maybe I should have looked this one up before, because I'm not quite sure. And I think this lasted until 1713 or 30, the Treaty of Utrecht. So that's orange. I know there's two sites here that are on UNESCO World Heritage list. The theatre, the Roman theatre, and the Arc de Triomphe. That's where I'm heading first. I'm not quite sure what I can see from the theatre itself, and it is rush hour and I am already late, so I'll do my best, but I can't promise that we see much of that theatre right now. Oh well. Anyway, yeah, must go. On y va. Quite magnificent. Wow, she is a beauty. Cool. Alright, let's try and find the Roman theatre. Well, it feels a bit unfair, all this climbing, and this is all we can see. I'll look up some nice picture on the internet to let you have a look at how it's really like. And way up there is the Mont Ventoux. Wow, what an absolute majestic sight that is as well. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it for now. Still have 25 or so K back to the car. Hope I can do that before it gets dark. Alright, on y va. Hey, blijf maar. Merci. Allez, bonjour. Yeah, they should make a lot of noise. Well, I think I forgot Jay's lessons about how to deal with dogs, but saw the owner standing by, but he didn't do much for the first minute or so. So yeah, not gonna take any chances. Right, sunset is blooming. Sun is about to set and I am back in Gigondas. Wow, that was a super nice day for riding. Not as easy as I planned. Would have been 60k easy, I think, but it wasn't particularly the 2k that I had to walk, or 3k even, on very rough terrain. But oh well, that's all part of the adventure. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this little insight in the vineyards of Vacqueyras, Gigondas and Châteauneuf-du-Pape. And well, if so, give some thumbs up. Alright, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your ride. Stay safe out there. Au revoir. Salut.
Oui, je t'aime et je te donne ce poème. Oui, je t'aime dans la joie ou la douleur. Douce France, cher pays de mon enfance, bercé de tendre insouciance, je t'ai gardé dans mon cœur, je t'ai gardé dans mon cœur.